If you're like most accounting firms, you may be wondering why your marketing efforts aren't yielding the results you want. Chances are there are a few common reasons why your marketing is falling short. And in this video, I'll outline 5 of the most common reasons and provide a few tips for you to overcome them. Hey there, I'm Brighton, the CPA marketing mentor, and I'm here to help accountants just like yourself simplify their marketing and communications so they can grow their accounting, bookkeeping, and financial planning businesses. The first reason that I see accounting firms struggle with their marketing is that they focus their messaging and their marketing on the services that they provide instead of the benefits their services provide. It's easy to get caught up in listing the features of your services, but your potential clients, what they really care about are the benefits that those features or those services actually provide to them. For example, rather than saying we provide bookkeeping services, try we help business owners save time and money by streamlining their bookkeeping process. This focuses on the benefit that the customer will receive, which is more likely to resonate with them. The second reason that marketing might be falling short for you is that you're not targeting the right audience. One of the most important aspects of a successful marketing strategy is targeting your message to the right people. And if you're not reaching your audience, your message is falling on deaf ears. So we need to make sure that you know who your ideal client is and then target your marketing efforts and all of your messaging accordingly. So when I work with my clients, I often have them describe to me who their ideal client is based on a client that they love, that they already have. So what is their name? What is their age, business type, personality, and so on. And what this does is it gives me an idea of the target client that they're going to create marketing messages for in their campaigns, website, social media, and so on. Think of your most ideal client, your favorite client that you have right now. Outlining what your target client's demographic profile is can be a really great place to start. For example, you may want to target female business owners who are over the age of 35. So once you have your demographic profile, think of the psychographics. And the psychographic information would include things like their interests, their hobbies, their values, their lifestyle, their preferences. So for example, you may want to target business owners that focus their time on being innovative and creative and not overly detail-oriented, which would allow you to position your services in a way that would allow you to complement their personality, meaning your services, whether it be bookkeeping or accounting, will take care of all the little minute details so they can focus on being more creative and innovative. Once you know who your ideal client is and how you can tailor your marketing messages to them, you are going to be well on your way to creating more effective marketing campaigns. Speaking of messaging, the third reason is often that your messaging isn't any different from your competitors, and you're simply blending in with all the other accounting firms out there. In a sea of accounting firms, it's important to make sure that your message stands out. And if you're not differentiating yourself from the competition, your potential clients will have no reason to choose you over another accounting firm. Find what makes you unique and make sure your marketing communicates that. Differentiating yourself from the competition is key when it comes to marketing your accounting firm. And if you can't identify what makes you unique, your potential clients won't be able to either. So spend the time to figure out what makes you different and what sets you apart, and focus your marketing around that. Honestly, it doesn't have to simply be about the services. I'm sure that you think that your services are very similar to the accountant down the street, right? You're filing tax returns, you're doing year ends, you're maybe doing some corporate advisory. You may not have differences in your services, but they don't simply have to just be difference in your services. Think about it this way. Are your partners in your firm big sports fans, or do they enjoy hiking like one of our CPA firm clients? They've actually named their firm Summit Path LLP, and they take photos of them on hikes. They're doing a fundraising campaign right now where they're actually hiking to the base camp of Everest and raising money for the Children's Hospital here in Calgary. So think of different ways that you can stand out from a brand perspective, from a personality perspective. And honestly, whatever it is, don't be afraid to share your personalities as partners in your firm and use that angle as a differentiator. People do business with people they can connect to. So don't be worried about having to be overly professional. Let your guard down a little and connect with your potential clients in a more meaningful way. On the topic of connecting with your audience, if you're not leveraging content marketing, it's likely another reason why your marketing is falling flat. 78% of business owners who blog see a positive ROI in their inbound marketing investment. That is simply only one type of content. Podcasts and video have become major staples of today's effective marketing content. Not to mention, it's also where the attention is. The average person spends over 60% of their time consuming media online. Whether they are looking to get a question answered or simply swiping through short form video, digital content is where people's attention is. And creating content and leveraging content marketing is powerful and can really help you attract and retain clients. If you don't have a content strategy in your marketing plan, you are missing out on a great opportunity to connect with your target audience and offer them value in a meaningful way. And you might be thinking, this sounds really intensive and tough and hard, and let me tell you this, content marketing doesn't have to be this overwhelming thing. Think about creating one long-form piece of content each month. That's it. Whether it be a blog article that you write, a video you record, or a podcast episode, create something that adds value to your clients and prospective clients for free. Then break that long form piece of content down into shorter pieces like quotes and video clips and images, and share those bite-sized chunks of the really juicy information that you share in your long form content. And that content can be tax tips, bookkeeping advice, a financial planning concept, whatever it is. Make sure 100% of that content is adding value to your clients. The last reason I typically see accounting firms' marketing underperform is that they're afraid of failure. And I completely get it. Although this isn't always the case, your job as an accountant is often to be precise, correct, and perfect in all that you do. And there are right and wrong answers to a lot of what you do. The majority is black and white with really no gray in between. But in the world of marketing, it unfortunately isn't the same. I've heard over and over again, what if my client thinks this is dumb? Or are we posting too much? Are we not posting enough? What if? There are certainly some valid questions and some valid concerns, but as a whole, there is a fear of being portrayed as too salesy or disingenuous or simply wrong. That fear of other people and what they think is real. But I can tell you this for sure. If you believe in the work you do, if you believe in the services you provide, and you focus on adding more value to your client beyond providing those services in your marketing, and you remain genuine to who you are as a person and who you are as a firm, you are going to experience a greater level of engagement, greater level of growth, and you're going to land more prospective clients. If you're struggling with one or all of these common marketing problems, I have something I want to share with you. I've written a comprehensive free guidebook focused on helping accountants elevate their marketing strategy. Visit marketmycpafirm.com to download the completely free Ultimate CPA Marketing Playbook. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in more content just like this, be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.